In the first half of 2024, cryptocurrency thefts through hacks and exploits have surged, highlighting a significant increase in cybercriminal activities within the crypto space. According to a report by DMM Labs, the total amount stolen in these incidents has reached alarming levels, underscoring the ongoing vulnerability of digital assets to sophisticated attacks. Now, DMM Labs is a blockchain intelligence platform that helps organizations investigate, monitor, and detect cryptocurrency fraud and financial crime. Their services include blockchain forensics, transaction monitoring, wallet screening, and compliance solutions tailored for crypto businesses, financial institutions, and government agencies. DMM Labs supports over 70 million assets across 29 blockchains and provides cross-chain analytics, comprehensive risk categories, and a large database of illicit activities. They also offer training through the DMM Academy and other specialized courses. In this video, we're going to look at their findings and see what we can learn from them. The first half of 2024 has seen a dramatic rise in cryptocurrency thefts, with millions of dollars being stolen in various attacks. And this increase is attributed to the growing complexity and number of vulnerabilities within the blockchain technologies. To give you an idea, in comparison to the $657 million that was stolen in the first half of last year, the number has now doubled to $1.38 billion in the first half of this year, which is a huge increase in funds being stolen. The majority of these thefts have been through smart contract exploits and infrastructure attacks. Smart contract attacks involve targeting bugs in the code, which allows attackers to siphon off funds without authorization. Now, infrastructure attacks, on the other hand, target the systems and platforms supporting cryptocurrency transactions, such as private key thefts and SIM swapping. One example is the DMM Bitcoin attack. In May 2024, DMM Bitcoin, a prominent Japanese cryptocurrency exchange, fell victim to a significant security breach, resulting in the loss of 4,502 Bitcoin, valued at approximately 305 million. And this incident marked one of the largest cryptocurrency thefts in recent history, drawing significant attention from the crypto community and security experts. The hack was first identified when Whale Alert, a blockchain analytics platform, detected a massive transfer of Bitcoin from one wallet to another. And initially, it was unclear whether this was a legitimate transaction or a security incident. However, DMM Bitcoin later confirmed on their website that they had experienced a hack leading to the unauthorized transfer of the Bitcoin. And this prompted the exchange to temporarily halt withdrawals, new account openings, and certain trading activities to prevent further losses and to investigate the breach. DMM Bitcoin assured its customers that all deposits would be fully guaranteed and that they were taking immediate steps to procure the equivalent amount of Bitcoin to compensate for the stolen funds. The exchange emphasized that they were working closely with their group companies to acquire the necessary assets for compensation and were implementing measures to prevent future incidents. The exact method in the hack involved compromising the exchange's private keys, which are critical for authorizing transactions on the blockchain. And this breach allowed the attackers to transfer a substantial amount of Bitcoin to external addresses. And although the exchange did not disclose specific details about the vulnerabilities exploited, the incident highlighted several critical areas for improvement in the cryptocurrency security. Security experts suggested that implementing multi-signature wallets, which require multiple private keys to authorize a transaction, could have mitigated the risks of such a large-scale theft. Additionally, storing the private keys in cold wallets, which are kept offline, would have added a significant layer of security. Now, the hack also underscored the importance of decentralizing the storage of funds to minimize the impact of any single compromised key. Now, the DMM Bitcoin hack serves as a stark reminder of the ongoing risk associated with digital asset management and the necessity for robust security practices in protecting high-value accounts on blockchain platforms. The incident has prompted a broader discussion on the need for enhanced security measures across the cryptocurrency industry to safeguard against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. Other examples are the PlayDAP hack, the Orbit Chain hack, and the FixFloat hack, and I've made a dedicated video on this, which I'll link up here in this card for you to check it out. Now before we move on, I want to remind you all that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you'll most likely lose it all. And here's one thing I forgot to mention, and that's the fact that the average token price is higher than the same period last year, which also had an influence on the total amount being hacked and or stolen. Regardless, it's crucial to protect your assets the best way possible, and for that, I've got a few tips for you now that I'm going to address in this chapter. Now the first tip is to always have two-factor authentication on. Whether it's a text to your phone or using the Microsoft or Google Authenticator app, a two-factor authentication will prevent your accounts from easily being hacked. I personally use it for all of my accounts, whether it's my social pages like Telegram and Twitter, which you should definitely join for free, or the exchanges that I use. Every opportunity that I get, I activate two-factor authentication to keep my accounts as safe and secure as possible. Now the next tip might be a bit controversial because not everybody will agree with me, and let me know in the comment section down below if you will, but when it comes to storing your crypto, I prefer the order of a hardware wallet, exchange, desktop wallet, and then a software wallet on your phone. I'd love to hear your opinion on this once again, but my reasoning behind this is this. A hardware wallet is the best way to store your crypto because it's offline and you need a device to transfer your tokens. Now Crypto with Rico happens to be sponsored by DMM, which is a hardware manufacturer which offers two types of hardware wallets. The first one is a biometric hardware wallet, allowing you to log in and verify transactions with your fingerprint. And the second one is their all-in-one card wallet, which is a credit card sized hardware wallet and ideal for on the go. And the best thing about this hardware wallet is that you don't need to charge it or you don't need to connect it to a computer, but you can just use the NFC technology together with your phone to do your transactions and to manage your cryptocurrency assets. I have dedicated videos on their company, the products, which you can find up there as well. In the description, you'll also find a discount code link, so be sure to check that out when going for one of their hardware wallets. Now the reason why I pick an exchange next is because they usually have a guarantee to up around $100,000, which means that in the case of an exploit or a hack, you don't lose all your funds, but you're insured for up to $100,000. Not every exchange offers this, but there are some who do. Crypto.com for instance does, and even though it's not your keys, not your crypto, at least you'll have some sort of safety mechanism in place. Keep in mind though that you have to prove that you had no fault in the exploit or hack to be eligible for that insurance. Next up, the desktop wallet. It's easy and convenient to use with different dApps and platforms and allows you to easily manage your cryptocurrency assets. Different chains sometimes need different wallets, like MetaMask for Ethereum and Phantom or Solflare for Solana. Now desktop wallets are software wallets too, but they differ from your phone. A phone can be lost more easily, and that's why a software wallet on your phone is the last option. If you get robbed or encounter a $5 wrench attack, then that's an easy way to lose funds. People can use your fingerprint to unlock your device or keep it in front of your face. If you have your email, authenticator and crypto apps all in one place, that might lead to a serious loss of funds. I personally use two phones for the simple reason that one phone is used to do the transactions with and the other phone for the two-factor authentication or confirming the transactions. This prevents me from the risk of losing it all when I lose my phone. And the final tip of today is using a VPN that will allow you to connect to a virtual private server which anonymizes your internet traffic. I use mine all the time to hide my IP and to be a lot more safe. In the description, you'll find a link to NordVPN, which will give us both 3 months off. Right, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!